Jay Logan. Jay Logan.
Is enough, and it's time for a change. Are you ready?
What is up, guys, and welcome back to SLS Animations. As you can see from on your screen, we will be unboxing the WrestleMania Macho Man Randy Savage in-ring cart. Let's go ahead and take a look at this box. All the edges, all the pieces, all the details you need to know. All right, there we go. There he is on the back of the box, how he's supposed to look in the cart. Some art on the side. This gold swish for that old school area. So you got that old school logo. I'm gonna definitely be cutting these off the box and using those later. Got that giant WWE logo on top. Yeah, this is how it looks in the box. Big shout out to our friends over at WrestlingFigures.com. That's Ringside Collectibles. I said it a little backwards this time, but you guys already know where to go. The link is down in the description to this action figure right now. If you guys are tired of hearing me yappity yap, by all means, stop the video, go hit the link, go get this bad boy, put him in your collection. You already know what time it is. Yeah. It's time to get with the Macho Man. Like, I already did the intro and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and bust this bad boy open and see what we got. Let's go. By the way, they take this bad boy in so strong, so strong. Alright guys, so let's get into it. I probably just spent more time getting this action figure out of the box than I will on this review. But you know how that goes. It's safe to say that when these do hit stores, it's going to be very hard to get them out of the box. Let's put it that way. But yeah, one more shout out to RingsideCollectibles.com. That's WrestlingFigures.com. This figure's available right there, right now. Stop the video, go down to the description, hit the link if you're tired of hearing your boy talk. I already said it like in every video. But yeah, I'm actually liking this little basic we got here. We got a little overpaint on the spray here though. Quality control at Mattel. Let's see here, Macho Man on the back, pink. I like the brightness on these pink shorts and a little bit of cheek there. Bright colors. I'm really liking the bright colors. I hope that going forward, Mattel really hits the 80s colors and make sure that they're really fluorescent and popping and not the dull colors they were using in the past, because, you know, they were very bright colors. Look at that. Macho Man's face sculpt is probably on point because they put a rubber band across his face to keep the glasses on. Let's see here. Oh, that is a cool looking little rubber band. I'm gonna keep that one for my collection for some toy photography, just to see what it's all about. Alright, let's take another look. Here's this new face sculpt for all those Macho moments. I'm probably gonna be swapping this head out because all my old figures do not have True Effects technology. Except for maybe the Macho Man from last San Diego Comic-Con. I'm gonna have to look at it though. As clear as I can get. I will be doing a 360 at the end in HD. So if you guys just want to skip to that and look at this bad boy in all of his high definition entirety, I believe I got that going at 4K. Yeah, looking good. That face sculpt's on point. Put the light around it so you guys can get it. There you go. Yeah, that's a serious scowl there. Looking good, looking good. I'm not liking this upper torso, but this is like that older Macho Man body they used to use. So let's get those removable glasses, slide those back on. Show the cart. It's on wheels. I don't know if I showed that in the other video. On the bottom you can see it's actually on wheels. The metal plate on the bottom with the 2-foot pegs in there. These 6 logos on the turnbuckle. So yeah, it's functional, it works. It'll be great for recreating action figure moments or wrestling moments in action figure form. I can see it now, I can see it now. Anyway, go ahead and put him in the cart. Alright guys, so it's definitely available now. It actually exists. So if you actually want to recreate that WrestleMania moment with Macho Man Randy Savage and the Dragon Steamboat, then by all means, you now have your carts ready to go. Hopefully one day Mattel will get the point and make us some stages, some backgrounds. I mean, I think they already got the point because I've actually seen their Comic-Cons and they use the locker room and the old school intro with the lights, and I don't know why they can't produce those things, but I would definitely buy it. They should go ahead and make it a ringside exclusive if it's ever gonna come, and yeah, just have them sell the play sets. I mean, monopolies. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, drop this photo shoot. Thank you guys for watching. As I said, the entire video, the links are in the description for this bad boy. I'm gonna go ahead and make some magical memory moments here, whatever you want to call it. I keep going out of focus, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. All links are in the description. As I said in the other review, these are rubber, not fabric. So that's like the only thing that I see online that no one said yet. So yeah, thanks again, guys. Peace.